Hey legends, welcome to the ultimate blueprint for turning your gaming skills into real dollars. If you've ever dreamed of sitting in your gaming chair, streaming your favorite games, and watching money roll in while you play, congratulations, you've just landed in the right place. This is not just a guide. This is your actionable roadmap to earning serious income as a beginner game streamer. No fluff, no filler. Just strategies, motivation, and steps to make it happen, starting today. But don't skip these 12 steps. You don't earn tons of dollars. Millions of people play games. Thousands stream, but only a select few earn tens of thousands of dollars by turning their passion into profit. And guess what? The next success story could be yours. Step 1. The mindset that brings dollars. Before we talk setup, software, or monetization, let's address the most important factor: mindset. Most beginners fail because they treat streaming as a hobby. Hobbies don't pay bills. Hobbies don't attract sponsorships. Hobbies don't earn dollars. To earn big, you must treat streaming like a business from day one. That means consistency over casual streaming, planning content in advance, thinking about your audience, not just the game, seeing every subscriber, every viewer, every chat message as an investment, believing that your entertainment has value and people will pay for it. Your mindset determines your revenue. Stream like a pro, earn like a pro. Step 2, define your streaming persona. Your persona is your magnet for viewers and money. Think of it as your brand. People don't just subscribe for gameplay. They subscribe for personality, energy, and entertainment. Ask yourself, are you the funny gamer who reacts to every fail? Are you the pro who gives tips and tutorials for beginners? Are you the dramatic storyteller who immerses viewers in the game world? Are you the competitive clutch master who lands insane plays? Whatever you choose, commit fully. Your persona is your signature, and it's what keeps viewers coming back and spending money on your channel. Step 3, the minimum gear to start earning. You don't need the most expensive setup. Many top streamers started with minimal gear, but you do need reliability and clarity. Basic setup for a beginner: computer or console capable of running your game smoothly. Microphone. Clear audio is more important than fancy video. Webcam, optional but recommended. People like seeing your face. Stable internet. Upload speed of at least 8 to 10 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Streaming software. OBS Studio is free, widely used, and beginner-friendly. Remember, viewers forgive low-quality visuals if your energy and audio are strong. Step 4, your first stream. Make it a show. Streaming isn't just gameplay, it's a show. Treat it like one. Start with an energetic introduction. Hey legends, welcome to the stream. Today we're taking on the toughest boss ever, and I'm bringing you along for the ride. React to every moment. Don't hide your excitement. Talk constantly. Silence kills retention. Engage with chat immediately. Recognize every viewer by name. Celebrate small wins and epic plays. Energy plus engagement equals retention. Retention equals dollars. Step 5. How beginners start earning dollars. Even as a beginner, there are multiple streams of income available. Here's the breakdown. 1. YouTube ads. Monetize your uploads and live streams once eligible. 2. Super chats and super stickers. Fans pay to highlight their messages during live streams. 3. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks for a small monthly fee. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote gaming gear or products and earn a commission. 5. Merchandise. T-shirts, mugs, or hats with your brand logo. 6. Sponsorships. Brands pay to get in front of your audience. 7. YouTube Premium Revenue Share. Earn from premium subscribers watching your content. Even small numbers of viewers can translate into real dollars if you leverage these streams. Step 6. The American Audience Advantage. Since your target audience is the United States, advertisers pay more for U.S. viewers, meaning ad revenue is higher. American viewers are more likely to donate, join memberships, and buy merch-aligned streaming schedule with U.S. time zones. Eastern Central Pacific. For maximum viewership, cater to U.S. trending games, humor, and gaming culture. Targeting the right audience is your shortcut to bigger earnings. Step 7. Shorts, clips, and highlight. Content one stream equals multiple pieces of content. Record your full live stream extract. Funny, epic, or insane moments, turn them into 15 to 60-second shorts. For YouTube, upload highlights as separate videos. Share clips on social media to drive traffic. Your content now works for you even when you're offline. That's passive income. Step 8. Community equals currency. Your viewers aren't just numbers. They are your bank account in human form. Recognize every viewer by name. Respond to chat messages, play games with viewers. Occasionally celebrate milestones with your community. The more connected your community feels, the more they tip, donate, join memberships, buy merch, and share your content. Fans who feel valued spend more money. Simple. Step 9. Monetization strategy for beginners. You don't have to wait for millions of followers. Begin with small wins. Encourage small super chats during streams. Offer low-cost memberships with unique perks. Use affiliate links for games, gear, and accessories. Start selling simple merch once a loyal audience forms. Focus on multiple streams. The combination of even tiny incomes grows fast. Step 10. Growth mindset and scaling. Your first streams may have 1 to 2 viewers, maybe 0, maybe 1 subscriber. That's normal. Don't quit. Growth compounds. 1 viewer today, 5 next week, 50 next month, 500 in 6 months. Focus on consistency, energy, and engagement. Analyze what works, game choice, commentary style, and stream schedule. Upgrade your setup only when income justifies it. Streaming is a marathon, but the payoff, life-changing. Step 11. The secret to earning tons of dollars. There is a formula successful streamers follow. 1. Content variety. Live streams plus highlights plus shorts. 2. High energy. Keep viewers engaged from start to finish. 3. Community connection. Loyal fans equals consistent income. 4. Monetization mastery. Ads, super chats, memberships, merch, sponsorships. 5. Persistence. Never quit, never settle. Always improve. Master these 5 pillars, and your beginner channel becomes a money-making machine. Hype motivation section. Imagine this. You sit in your gaming chair. Notifications light up, super chats appear, a new member joins, someone just bought your merch, ads are paying you while you sleep. Your stream is trending. People from around the US are watching you. This is not a dream. It's your reality if you take action. Your energy, personality, and consistency are your currency. Every stream is an investment. Every clip, every highlight, every short multiplies your income. You are building not just a channel, you are building a digital empire. Step 12. Beginner blueprint to your first $1,000. Here's how you, as a beginner, can earn your first $1,000. 1. Stream 3 to 4 times per week for 2 to 3 hours each. 2. Record your streams and upload highlights twice per week. 3. Clip 3 to 5 shorts from each stream. 4. Encourage super chats and early memberships. 5. Share affiliate links for games and gaming gear. 6. Engage deeply with every viewer. Make them feel valued. 7. Celebrate every small dollar earned. Momentum grows. Execute this plan consistently for 2 to 3 months, and $1,000 is just the beginning.